In this video, I will show you how to download and install Razer Cortex in Windows 11. Razer Cortex is very popular software. If you want to download it and install it without any error, watch this video till end. For downloading it, simply open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Firstly, we will download it. After then, we will install it. For downloading, simply search Razer Cortex in search bar. After searching Razer Cortex in search bar and press enter. When you press enter, you see Razer Cortex Game Booster for PC and laptop. Click this link. When you click this link, you see Razer Cortex download now. Click download now button. When you click download now button, you have to choose where you want to download this file. Here I am choosing download folder. You can choose anywhere where you want to download. After choosing download folder, click save. Our Razer Cortex is downloading. After that, we will install it. You can see we downloaded Razer Cortex. You can see here file is available. For installing it, simply click right click. After clicking right, click open. When you click open, you have two options, yes and no. Click yes. After clicking yes, you can see our Razer Cortex is installing. We have to wait this process completion. Then we will open it. Click continue. After clicking continue, you see Razer Cortex interface. Click install for installing it. When you click install, you see install Razer X1. Skip this. Click skip. Only install Razer Cortex, not other any tool and software. After installation of Razer Cortex, we will set up. We will use it. You can see Razer Cortex is installing. And now when you click launch or Razer Cortex has launched. Now you can simply log in with Google, Facebook, Apple and much more platform and use it. In this video, I showed you how to download and installed Razer Cortex in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, put in comment box.